EasyVFR shows airport features on the moving map to avoid the necessity for VFR airport plates during flight. Instead of having to open a VFR airport plate to access the VFR airport routes, EasyVFR displays these procedures on the moving map for your convenience. In addition, the traffic pattern layout is displayed, as well as the noise-sensitive areas. Arrival and departure procedures, traffic patterns, and noise-sensitive areas are covered for all European airports supported in EasyVFR4. The data used to display airport features comes purely from official sources, such as the AIP, Eurocontrol, and other local sources. These VFR airport routes and traffic patterns on the moving map are particularly helpful for the Essential and Live EasyVFR users, who do not have access to the VFR airport plates. However, they will still have the most essential information from the VFR airport plates displayed on their moving map to use during flight.